Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Lisa Rambai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. An important event in the life of the Salesian province of Pila, PLN, took place on Saturday, the 3rd of June, at the Shrine of Mary Help of Christians in Rumia. 3 Salesians professed their perpetual vows of chastity, poverty, and obedience to God. After several years of religious life, Darius Kopsizki, Jacek Kutu Siwis, and Victor Siwantki made the request to serve God throughout life in the Salesian society and so fully live their baptismal consecration. The ceremony was presided over by Father Thaddeus Aitrake, Superior of the PLN province. Students at the San Marco Institute ISSM and staff and researchers from the Pedagogy Faculty of the Salesian University Institute, Venice, have participated in recent months in an experimental project that uses the most modern computer technologies to promote active citizenship. The We and Here project. We and Here is a project aimed at detecting the needs of young people in their local area to encourage their active citizenship. It makes use of the First Life digital platform designed by the Department of Computer Science at the University of Turin, and in March and April 2023, it was tested on a couple of technical guidance third-year classes at the ISSM. At the same time, a research process was established that provided for co-design work in which the developers at the Department of Computer Science at the University of Turin for the technological part and the pedagogy faculty at the IUSVE for the educational part collaborated. At the end of the week, from the 2nd to the 4th of June, the former Salesian House of Formation in Astudillo, near Palencia, hosted the last of the 4 meetings of the preparation course for Salesian missionary volunteers promoted by the Missionary Animation and Volunteering Team in the St. James and Greater Province SSM Spain and by Misiones Salesianas. Opening Pathways for Mission was the theme addressed at the meeting, which then ended with the sending mass. More than 70 people all up took part in the weekend and accompanied and encouraged the 26 short-term and 12 long-term volunteers to be bearers of hope in the 4 corners of the globe. Young people linked to Salesian works such as teachers, youth leaders, Salesian cooperators or past pupils, but also professionals from different sectors and pensioners make up the profiles of the people who will go to 12 Salesian works from 8 different countries in coming weeks in the Americas and Africa to serve young people in the spirit of Don Bosco. The first practical exercise session of the 3-year course for obtaining the Diploma of Accompaniment in Discernment, which began last November, was held in Rome from the 1st to the 3rd of June 2023 at the headquarters of the Central Italian Circumscription ICC. Although the ordinary teaching approach during monthly meetings was online, the so-called practicum could only be an in-person event since there is no other way to achieve the kind of interaction in interpersonal conversation that establishes the continuity on which accompaniment is built. Numerous lay and consecrated members of the Salesians and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians spent time keenly experimenting with relational dynamics in the light of the skills acquired through the study conducted so far. The scheduling for these work days has been tight ever since the evening they began, with a growing rhythm that has allowed a developing climate of great openness and broad sharing, prompting availability and commitment during the exercises and avoiding any reserve coming into play in the workshop dynamics. The meeting of the Amazonian missions was held in the community of Macas from the 28th to 31st of May in the presence of Father Marcelo Farfan, Superior of the Salesian Province of Ecuador ECU, Bishop Nestor Montes de Oca, WDS, Apostolic Vicar of Mendes, and the Salesians from communities in the eastern region. On the occasion, Father Farfan reflected on the Salesian presence in the Amazonian missions, and Father Muricio Lemi, Delegate for Youth Ministry, revised the pastoral plan to incorporate the contributions of the Salesians. The meeting was led by Father Lemi and Luciano Bellini, head of the Amazonian mission sector. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.